Ginny Thorpe from Trinity United Methodist Church in Hagerstown, New Jersey, and I'm really happy to be with you today to share a children's time. It's really one of my favorite things to do, and because we're in my kitchen and you're right here with me today, we get to do an experiment. But before we do that, just want to kind of lead into it a little bit by saying, that we've all been living in very extraordinary times right now. It's very unusual. I know that you've probably been doing some classroom work from home online through something like Google Classroom, and you've been staying at home a lot, sheltering in place, being safe, all because of the coronavirus. And you've also probably had a lot of different emotions. We all have. Maybe in the last few months, there have been days when you've been feeling happy. Maybe some days when you feel really sad. How about being scared? Maybe confused. Maybe disappointed because you haven't been able to play with your friends. Maybe even angry. Maybe at a brother or sister even. We've all been experiencing those emotions these days. And all of these different experiences and emotions have us wondering, how do we get through these times? Well, I'd like to share a little bit of insight with you, but first, to do that, have to do my experiment. And the experiment involves 2 ingredients today: baking soda and vinegar. So what I have right now is a jar, and I'm going to pour some of the vinegar in it. Okay. And then we're going to have the baking soda. But to move us along a little bit, I've already put the baking soda in the balloon. I'm going to attach the balloon to the top of my bottle here. All right, there we go. And there's the baking soda right in the balloon. And I'm going to tip the balloon up. The baking soda goes in the bottle and woo! And the balloon bursts. This proves my point really, really well. That was a lot of excitement. So we've got the baking soda. Let's pretend that baking soda is you, okay? Think of the vinegar as being me. And when all of the baking soda and the vinegar go together, it produces a lot of excitement, doesn't it? To the point where it all just goes all over the place. Now that, my friends, is you and me and God's Spirit working with the two of us to make a lot of exciting and wonderful things happen. That's the important point here, boys and girls, is that we have God working with us. So we've got you and me with all of our unique gifts and talents, and when we work together through days and times like this, along with God's Spirit, we can make wonderful things happen, beautiful things, and help one another. And also, more importantly, with God's Spirit, we can help our friends and family and our neighbors. So when you have questions about how to go through these days, think about this experiment and how God is with us all and helping us all together to be one wonderful faith community. Let's go to God in prayer right now. Let's say a prayer by folding our hands and bowing our heads. Loving God, thank you for giving each one of us gifts and talents. Thank you for bringing us together to be part of your family. Show us each day how we can help one another. Amen.